So this is the Kettleman supercharger we just got here on a trip. Pretty nice. Our car's plugged in, ready to go. Man, plenty of parking. Let's come on in. Let's head on over here. So there's my brother-in-law, and check this out. So in order for you to get access over here, you have to in your car go into the supercharging and then hit on the Kettleman supercharging, and it'll give you the code to come in. And so it'll give you the code. I don't know if they change it on the daily basis, but they give you a code to come in. So go ahead. So I'll take you on in. So welcome to the Kettleman supercharger. So yeah, there's my brother. Wave, guys. And over there's a future Model S owner right there. Right there. There's my other brother-in-law, future Model S owner too. And then there's the restroom. It's pretty clean, pretty nice in here, pretty warm. It's awesome. And then they have refreshments here. And then the chair. Since it's really late, so they probably closed the barista right here. It's closed, but so we can't get to taste any of their cappuccino or anything. So, oh well. Anyway, so here.
My transmission.
And this is the powerwall. I got 2 of them in my house. So you'll get a preview of them at a later date. I'll do a little more in-depth analysis and video of the Powerwall on another video. So here's some games and stuff for the kids. Some games, some chairs. And stuff. So table's pretty cool, chill, super clean in here, super warm and super clean. So anyway, that's a little preview of the Kettleman supercharging station. All right, that's it. Bye.